Good morning, children. Let us do the fourth problem here. What was given in this? A child applies a force F bar parallel to the x-axis to a block moving on a horizontal surface. It means a force is acting on a block which is moving on a horizontal surface, it seems. So as the child controls the speed of the block, so he says that the child can control the speed of the block. So the x component of the force varies with the x coordinate of the block as shown in figure. So calculate the work done by the force F bar when the block moves, and he has given various A, B, C, D cases in this case. So what was here done in this? They have drawn a graph against force acting on a block as well as the displacement of the block. So now let us do the problem using whatever we have learned previously by just observing the given graph. As seen in the question, this is our given graph. So in this we can see the force is along y-axis. I mean the plotting of the force is along y-axis in newtons, and the plotting of displacement is done along x-axis, and that too it is measured in meters. We have seen this one clearly. So now if you see here, they are asking you to find work done by force when block moves within these intervals as given below. So what we have just learned from our basics is that area under force displacement graph. Area under force displacement graph gives you work done. Area under force displacement graph gives you work done. So using this statement, we can calculate the required question, that is work done when the block moves from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3 meter, or given whatever these things. So first one, let us see when block moves from x equals to 0 to x equals to 3 meter. So if we do this one, first of all, from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3, we can see here there are two figures. What is this? The first one is your triangle over this. You can see from 0 to 2, and from 2 to 3 there is a rectangle. Why I have said rectangle? This is a breadth of 1 and a length of 2, right? So therefore work done is equals to area of triangle from where to where the triangle is there, 0 to 2, from 0 to 2, plus area of rectangle, and this rectangle is between 2 to 3. Therefore as he asked from 0 to 3, overall figures we have taken from 0 to 3 as two parts. So area of triangle already we know, half into base into height, plus area of rectangle we already know, length into breadth. So from the graph, if we substitute the values as half into breadth, this is our base, you can say, right? Half into base into height. So 0 to 2, that will be 2 into height h, again it is 2 only. So plus length into breadth. Length is how much? 1, and breadth is 2, or you can say length is 2, breadth as 1, you can say. So therefore it is 2 into 1. So therefore 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 plus 2, total how much? 4 joules. So similarly, let us see the B also. From x equals to 3 to x equals to 4. If you see in the graph, from x equal to 3 to x equal to 4, from x equal to 3 to x equal to 4, there is no graph at all. Or you can say that there is from 3 to 4 even the displacement, or you can say from 3 to 4 the displacement is happening, but there is no force acting on this. We can say. So therefore from 3 to 4, work done is equals to 0 joules. From 3 to 4 directly you can say work done is equal to 0 joules. And next one, if we see C, from x equals to 4 to x is equals to 7. X equal to 4 to x equal to 7. Now you can ask me, sir, in the graph there is from x equals to 4 to 6 only we can observe here, sir. Where is the 7? So as the 7 interval is not there, means you can say here there is no displacement, you can say. So if there is no displacement further, you can say directly that work is said to be 0, or if there is no force acting on that, you can say then there is also nothing but work is said to be 0. Now if you see here, there is only graph, right? 4 to 6 there is a triangle. So therefore work done is equals to area of triangle from 4 to 6. So if I just substitute here, what will be there? Half into base. What is the base? 4 to 6, right? That is 2 into height. The triangle is below the x-axis, so therefore it is -1. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. It will give you -1 joule. So the work is said to be negative over here. And D, the last one, from x equals to 0 to x is equals to 7. So just add all the things whatever you have calculated from this one. From 0 to 7 means whatever this area plus this area plus this area. So therefore work done will be equals to, what are those areas? This one, right? Half into base into height already we have got due to the first one, and due to the second one, that is from 0 to 3 we got it as 4 joules. So 4 joule. And the next one is how much? From 3 to 4 it is 0 joules. And from then 4 to 7 whatever it is, we got it as -1 joule. So therefore adding all these together, we get total work done as from 0 to 7 as 3 joules. So this is the problem, children. So please be careful while doing the calculation part. Okay.